Look at my right eye. It looks droopy and weighed down. And now look at my left eye. What if I were to tell you that I used the exactly same eyeshadow on both my eyes, but the only thing different that I did was the technique? So if you want to know what's this technique, then please keep on watching. For demonstration purposes, I'm using the Flutter by palette by Colourpop. Usually, you would apply a medium shade on your crease and outer corner, followed by a shimmer shade on the lid, and then a shimmer shade on the brow bone, which would look fine otherwise. But if you have hooded eyes like me, then it can make your eyes look weighed down and droopy. So instead, I like to use the medium matte shade on my brow bone above my crease area and my outer corner, building a new crease which won't get hidden under that extra skin. As for the shimmer shade, I won't take it all the way up till my crease. Instead, I will keep it below my new crease line. For my brow bone, I would keep the shimmer shade high above, as close to my brow bone as possible. Instead of a liner, I like to tightline my eyes using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. For my lashes, I would never skip to curl them and apply a voluminous lengthening mascara to open up those eyes. And here is the finished look. Boy, what a big difference. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. And if you want to watch more hooded eye makeup like these, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.